Good day, ma'am. The country that I choose is Taiwan. The cultural background of Taiwan. Taiwanese culture is influenced by Chinese traditions and local indigenous groups. Festivals, food, and respect for elders are important parts of daily life of Taiwanese. The religious background of Taiwan. Many people in Taiwan practice Buddhism, Taoism, or folk religions. Temples and ancestor worship are common in communities in Taiwan. Next, language background of Taiwan. Mandarin Chinese is the main language used in Taiwan. Some people also speak Taiwanese Hokkien, and indigenous languages. The next, family structure of Taiwanese. Families in Taiwan are usually close and supportive of each other. Parents and grandparents often help make big family decisions. Next, a popular Taiwanese food is beef noodle and bubble tea. The traditional dress includes the qipao, and they also enjoy the folk and pop music. And next, why this aspect is important to them. These traditions and culture items help them keep their identity and history alive, and also brings families and communities closer together. Next, commonalities found across cultures. Many cultures, including Taiwan, value respect for elders and strong family bonds. People also to celebrate tradition and share food during special events. Unique aspect I learned that Taiwan has strong temple tradition and night market food culture. Their mix of Chinese traditions and modern lifestyle is very noticeable. Next, how understanding culture can improve teamwork and communication. Understanding cultures helps people avoid misunderstandings and show proper respect. It makes teamwork smoother because people become more patient and open with each other. Thank you, Mom.
I'm Prince Joel P. Acosta. I'll share a brief tradition from Chinese culture. In Chinese culture, respect for elders is an important family tradition. Families are usually close-knit, and decisions are made with the whole family in mind. Culturally and religiously, Chinese traditions are influenced by Confucian values, which focus on respect, harmony, and discipline. The main language spoken is Mandarin, and foods like dumplings symbolize unity and good luck. From this activity, I learned that even though cultures are different, values like respect, family, and togetherness are shared. Learning about other cultures help us become more open-minded and improves our communication and teamwork.
I chose Philippines because one of their most tradition there is the pagmamano. Pagmamano is important to show respect and love for elders. In terms of cultural background, Filipino are known for being very family-oriented. When it comes to religion, Philippines is mostly Christian, especially Roman Catholic. And in language, Philippines is a country that has many languages. Aside from Filipino and English, there are many regional languages such as Cebuanos, Ilocanos, and others. Regarding family structure, Filipino families are usually close-knit and extended. This means that family does not only include parents and children, but also grandparents, aunts, uncles, and other relatives. When it comes to food, Filipino dishes like adobo, sinigang, and rice are their common food in the Philippines. For their traditional music, we have kundiman and folk songs that express love and emotion. For clothing, we have Barong Tagalog for men and Barot Saya for women that are usually worn during events and celebration. Filipinos share strong family values, respect for elders, hospitality, faith, and a deep love for their culture, which shows the importance of love, respect, community, and cultural pride. They are very family-oriented, friendly, and welcoming. And their festivals and traditions make life joyful while showing pride in their culture. Understanding Filipinos' culture helps people work better together by holding respect, trust, and open communication.
Sawadika! Let's talk about the Thailand. Their cultural background. Thai culture value respect, politeness, and harmony, strongly influenced by Buddhism and tradition like the Y greeting. The religious background. Most people in Thailand practice Theravada Buddhism, which teaches compassion, respect, and mindfulness. And let's talk about their language background. The official language is Thai, a tonal language. Regional dialects are also spoken. For their family structures, family are close-knit, just like Filipino are, often extended with strong respect for elders. And let's move on for their food and music and dress. So the popular food in Thailand include Pad Thai and Tom Yum. For their traditional music, it is played in festivals, and Chut Thai is worn during special occasion. Chut Thai is their popular dress in Thailand. Why learning culture of Thailand is important? This tradition helps Thai people preserve their identity, strengthen family bonds, and show respect for their culture. Thailand is a country in Southeast Asia with a culture strongly influenced by Buddhism and family values. Thailand commonalities across culture. Number 1 is respect for family and elders. Number 2, celebration and tradition. Number 3, sharing food together. Their unique aspect. Thailand unique aspect. The Y greeting, Buddhist tradition, Thai is a tonal language. Why do we need to understand their culture? To improve respect, reduce misunderstanding, and help people work better together. So, we see that learning other culture is so interesting. So, in our tradition, just like them, learning this is so happy and making us connect to each other. That's all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, today I'll be sharing a brief traditional and cultural aspect from Malaysia. One well-known tradition is Malaysia is Hari Raya Adil Fitri. This is a celebration marks and of Ramadan for Muslim. Families gather together as forgiveness from elders and visit relatives and neighbors. It shows respect and unity and strong family values. For food, music, and rest, and popular Malaysian food during Hari Raya is ketupat, which is a rice cooked inside of woven fan and leaves. In terms of clothing, people usually wear an bahu Melayu, for menu, and bahu kurung. For women, this is traditional clothes and represent modesty and cultural identity. And this is aspect of Malaysian culture is important because it strengthens family bonds and promote respect for elders and encourage togetherness within the community. And for commonalities across culture is many cultures value family gatherings, respect for elders, and celebrating tradition together. And unique aspect learned is Malaysia has a diverse culture influenced by Malay and Chinese and Indian tradition, which makes their celebration colorful and meaningful. For understanding cultures improve is by understanding different culture, we become more respectful and open-minded, and better the communicating with others, especially in group work.